Hello guys, hello Thinkorswim tech support. So I'm recording this video to show you my little trouble that I have with the platform. So I'm logged in here as Yerjan222 Trader. This is my nickname, right? This is my user account. And so under the subscriptions tab, I'm subscribed to real-time Nasdaq level 2 quotes and they're free. This stuff I'm not subscribed to it, right? So I only use real-time Nasdaq level 2 quotes. However, I just jumped back in the on-demand feature to April 12, 2017, and it is back. The ticker is back, Bank of America Corporation. I see the level 2 working fine, but the time and sales is not present there. So what would be a way to turn on the time and sales, because I want to see the tape? Is it possible to Thinkorswim to provide me with tape data, with time and sales data? Like, I really don't know how to turn it on. So here we have level 2 and it's kind of working fine. I'm trying to fast forward it 3 times, and yes, level 2 seems to be moving, seems to be showing and flickering with prices at a much faster price. Yeah, I see it's moving, but time and sales is not present there. So is that possible for TOS to provide me with time and sales data? Thank you.